Stainless steels can be reusable, refillable. We can just rinse it by water, dry it, and reuse again, and then for many times. Hi, I'm Ivy. So I'm here in IFA for Capsulier capsule maker machines. So here I'm going to introduce how it works. So we have the decider capsule right here. It's all stainless steel, and put the capsule in the tray right underneath right here. And then we will prepare the ground coffee on the top by filling it. And then by pulling this lever and by handling it to make sure it's refilled and compressed, 2 times it usually works for 1 capsule. And then we have nicely done something like this. And then we just use the mesh filter and the lid and just close it, and it's done. So we're actually done in seconds. And it goes into the NESPRESSO machine at your home. You can brew the coffee on your way. You may find it a little stiff when you close the lid, but close the kosher or the NESPRESSO, but then it's actually harder because it's not single-use aluminum, but because ours is stainless steel. So bruises at the regular use when you do the NESPRESSOs, and the coffee come right away very nicely with the creamer, good color. By the way, this is the bigger pot. So this is for Keurig, and the one I just make is for the NESPRESSOs. Stainless steels can be reusable, refillable. We can just rinse it by water, dry it, and reuse again, and then for many times. The thing is, what you buy in the market is all fixed. The selection is quite tight. Let's say 20 selections or even 30. So you can have your own pot by different kinds of coffee beans. Like you can buy anyway in market. It's cheap and more choices, the whole selections on the coffee shelves. This is already on the market. We just launched it in January. The price is starting from $99. You can also buy the pot for 2 for $39, and it's say a little gift box for 2 and $36. This is the next one. This is from all fully automatic. This is from coffee bean. It has grinder inside. It will pack the capsule for you, and it all refill, close the lid, and come out nicely done at the end. And you just something like this when you come out. The reason it's fully automation is you can make more than 1 pot at a time. It is available next year. This is the full prototype right now. This is our second version prototype right now. We are looking at somewhere about 200.
Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the bell button so you get notifications as soon as our content goes out.